The best certification to kick off your career in 2024 is today we're going to talk about top 5 networking certifications in 2024 for beginners. I have already made few videos about the certifications on this channel, so you can listen more about AZ900, AZ700 or Cisco CCNA here on the playlist. If you are interested in topics such as cloud, cybersecurity, DevOps, or networking, please subscribe my channel because I post regularly about these topics. But now let's talk about the certifications. So in my view, the best certification to kick off your career in 2024 is Cisco Certified Networking Associate. Cisco has been on the certification market and the training market for such a long time, and the portfolio of the different certifications that they build is very holistic. It touches many different aspects of their products, but also vendor neutral domains. You will learn about network fundamentals, routing, switching, cybersecurity, but also now new topics such as network programmability, with topics such as, for example, Ansible, Puppet, Chef, but also Cisco products. So these are all very important topics and technologies these days. And when we look at the job market, we see how many job offers there are in both US and European Union throughout the different countries. Companies want to hire people that hold these certifications, that has this knowledge, and it's just such a great benefit in your CV. Another reason why I think Cisco is such a great choice for the beginners is because it provides you both theoretical and practical experience of learnings. So basically you still need to learn tons of material regarding, for example, OSI model or different protocols, types of attacks, but then on the other hand you can build your own network in packet tracer simulator, so you can see different routing, different Cisco models, how do they interact with each other, what type of cable to select, how to connect everything so it nicely works. This is, I think, a great experience that gave me a lot of insight into how networking really works, what things I need to consider while designing and implementing my network. A follow-up after that is Cisco DevNet. This is a newest certification path from Cisco that I think it's a great choice, even though I haven't seen actually so many job positions related to this specific certifications. In my view, it provides you a great complementary part to the CCNA, because in this certification the focus is mostly programmability and software development in networking. Concepts such as, for example, Python, APIs, building API, testing API, bash scripting, these are all very important tools for you as an engineer if you want to work in networking. In the real life scenario, you will not just SSH to one of the machine, providing the configuration, and then SSH to another one. If you have 1000 different switches or routers or servers, you need to automate your configuration process. So you need to use tools such as, for example, Python or Ansible. So this certification provides you an excellent overview on how to use these tools, how to build APIs. I really cannot recommend it more. I think it's an excellent certification. Of course, it is still a new certification, so there are not that many job offers related to it, but still the concepts that are here in the curriculum are very important. So I could not recommend it more. My third choice for top networking certification in 2024 is CCNP, Cisco Certified Network Professional. And to get this certification, we need to pass 2 exams actually, rather than one, just like in case of CCNA and DevNet. So we need to pass our core exam and our concentration exam. Something that I really like about CCNP is the amount of the different choices of the concentration exams. So we have different domains that we can specialize in. Just like in case of CCNA, the valid time is 3 years. There are no prerequisites if you like to take CCNP, but it is strongly recommended to have from 3 to 5 years of experience in networking. So if you're a beginner, going directly to CCNP might be too much of the stretch. So I would first recommend you to go into CCNA just like I did, and then once you build your knowledge and build your experience, try to go for a CCNP because it's a natural sort of extension, it's a natural second step in your career, in your professional knowledge gaining process to reach out for CCNP. So CCNA, DevNet, CCNP are my top 3 picks when it comes for the certifications in 2024. My fourth choice for networking certification in 2024 is Cisco Certified DevNet Professional. So this is the extension of Cisco DevNet Associate, the certification that I talk about in point number 2. In this one, we focus on data security. So we talk about secure socket layers, we talk about vulnerabilities. Its APIs are still a huge part of it, a lot of programming, a lot of automation. It's really something that every networking engineer, at least in my view, should know. So when it comes for the different learning profiles, so this certification is for people that wants to move into automation and DevOps. Very, I would say, up-to-date certification for any aspiring network engineer. Okay, and my last pick might be a little bit surprising because these are actually 2 certifications, and I recommend taking AZ900 and AZ700. Our list has been very much Cisco oriented so far, but these are certifications from Microsoft. And why do I recommend to take these rather than, for example, CompTIA or Juniper or Aruba certification? Microsoft, Amazon and Google, they provide a huge portfolio of the different networking products in their clouds. In today's IT and networking industry, knowing cloud is really a compulsory thing. You need to have the skills, you need to know how to manage cloud regardless from which of the providers. Knowing how to use networking in their system is a very important and highly desired skill. Why do I recommend actually taking 2 exams, AZ900 and then AZ700? Well, basically the networking certification is the second one, AZ700. However, going directly from 0 to 700 to AZ700 might be too much of the stretch. So you need to first build your knowledge with AZ900 when you have a different services, overview of how cloud works, you will learn how to use Azure portal, and then once you pass the basic level exam, which is AZ900, you can start thinking about going into more advanced networking certification, which is AZ700. So in these certifications you will learn all about different networking products from Microsoft that are in the Azure cloud. So you will learn about different VPNs, about VNet, subnetting. If you end up working, for example, as a networking engineer in cloud, you will use all of these technologies to make sure that users can access, for example, the resources in the different groups, or users can access the application. So I very strongly recommend to also think about networking in terms of cloud, because the solutions that Microsoft, Google Cloud and Amazon provides are really comprehensive, they're very complex, and this, in today's world, this is really something that is very important. Well, that would be all. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like to see more videos this type, let me know in the comment what else I should discuss for you in the next video.